Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Airtable forms to create CRM leads, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, log in to your Airtable account. Select the workspace where you want to create your CRM. Choose the base you wish to use for your CRM leads. Click on the Add a View button located in the left sidebar. From the drop-down menu, select Form. You will now see a new form view created. On the right side, you can customize the form title. Add a description to inform users about the purpose of the form. Drag and drop fields from the left sidebar to the form. These fields could include name, email, phone number, and any custom fields relevant to your CRM. Set each field as required if necessary. To customize field labels, click on the field name and edit it accordingly. You can also add help text for each field for clarity. As you build your form, click on the Preview Form button to see how it looks. Once satisfied with the layout, click on the Share Form button at the top right. A dialog box will appear with a shareable link to your form. Copy this link to share with potential leads or embed it on your website. If you choose to embed, click on the Embed this form on your site option. Follow the instructions provided to get the embed code. After successfully embedding, test the form by filling it out. Check if the responses are recorded in your Airtable base. Return to the base view to manage and analyze your CRM leads. Congratulations, you have successfully activated Airtable forms to create CRM leads. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.